Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to delete all bookmarks in Google Chrome. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is running, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the window. You'll see 3 vertical dots there, which is Chrome's main menu icon. Go ahead and click on these 3 dots to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From the drop-down menu that appears, hover your mouse over the option that says Bookmarks and List. This will expand another submenu showing you all your bookmark-related options. This section gives you access to everything related to managing your saved pages and links in Chrome. In this expanded submenu, click on Open Bookmarks Manager. This action will take you to a dedicated page where all your bookmarks are organized and displayed. The Bookmarks Manager is Chrome's central hub for viewing, organizing, and managing every website you've saved for later reference. Now you can see all your bookmarks displayed on the screen. To delete everything at once, we first need to select all the bookmarks rather than removing them one by one. This bulk selection method saves you a tremendous amount of time, especially if you've accumulated dozens or even hundreds of bookmarks over time. Here's how to select everything quickly. Simply click on the first bookmark in your list. This will highlight that single bookmark as your starting point. Now, while holding down the Shift key on your keyboard, click on the last bookmark in your list. This keyboard shortcut allows Chrome to automatically select the first bookmark, the last bookmark, and every single one in between. It's a fast way to highlight your entire collection without manually clicking each item. Now that everything is selected, look at the top of the Bookmarks Manager window. You'll see a Delete button there. Click on Delete and Chrome will immediately remove all the selected bookmarks from your browser. This clears out your entire bookmarks library in one swift action, giving you a fresh start or allowing you to rebuild your collection from scratch. And that's it. You've successfully deleted all your bookmarks in Google Chrome. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.